But if you must have a chishinka, then that if much the Morambi, push the box. A box, a man who does niche at least it was over. But what's Kakapu? One after 1 month. I got in every taken. It time if the Moas are going to punch to a where now, Nakate, the cannot. One of those every 14 brothers, 17 quarts Canaan. What coach? So just buy Canaan Kakish.
A box.
For win.
On the fire.
Ni 89 kwacha. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching this video from. I'm just happy person today, and let me tell you why. I'm here at the business, doing my business. I'm here at the growth side, running the growth side, and that vibe. Hey, you know, it's Monday, but I'm not feeling that Monday. And a lot of people on Monday, they say it's so sleepy. But here today, I'm not feeling that sleepy. I feel sleepy if I'm not doing anything. Now I'm doing something here. I need to organize things. I need to do a lot of stuff here. Guys, welcome back once again to this channel. My name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece. What we do on this channel is that we do travel videos, we do family videos, and we do business videos just like this one. So for those of you who doesn't know, in case I'm in Zambia here in Korea area, this is the business that I do run here in Zambia. This is a very small business, and I have been running this small business with few years now, and this business, I've seen how it has really helped me, and I've seen how I can improve and how it has improved my life. And the other thing is that I'm here to work once again on trying to save some money for me to complete my house. The last video I posted on this channel, I said that we are having some issues there at my business, or sorry, at my house. Now the money that we kept, or the money that we saved about 10,000. Now looking at some of the things here in Dora Town Centers, the prices of some goods, more especially the timbers, we're expecting them to be low because it's not in the rain season. The rain season seems to be over, and we're expecting them to lower the price. Now this time, this is when they've increased the price, so there was some difficult moments whereby we were failing to cater everything. So at my house, we had some short of some of the things, like the money to pay the bricklayer or the carpenter who is going to put the roofing sheet. Let me say, the reason why I am here, it's because I need to work so hard once again for me to save some income so that we can complete that building. And then if we complete, like just putting the roofing sheet, we give the money to the bricklayer, and then we can see what is going to happen. But fortunately, we are so lucky that I always work hard. That's what I can say. I always work hard to earn what I'm earning right now, and to build that building through my hard working. And I can boast to myself like, yeah, I'm doing that because of what I'm doing. So guys, this is the inside of my shop, and this is the shop that I do run here. A very small shop here in Zambia, a very small shop. So one thing about my life is that God has never failed me, and God never fails. That's what I can say all in all. And yesterday I received a message on my WhatsApp number, and this person was talking about me being a beggar. Being a beggar, that I've been begging from people. That's why I'm building that house. And I've built that house to reach that far because of people who've been giving me money. Most of you guys who knows my content, who've been watching me from the start until to this time, you know my story, you know everything, because everything that I've talked about that house and everything about this business is here on this channel. And I don't know why this person came to me to be so harsh, to say a lot of things like I've been begging, I'm a beggar, you are just a beggar, you know. Okay, he said this. But Timo, stop begging from people. Abantu tabaka kwafwe. If you keep on depending on people, abantu barekupere mpia, and then you're building your house. Guys, I was so shocked, like no man's business. Like, I don't know what to say. So if you come here on my page, tell me whatsoever that you're telling me to say, oh, this, my dear, you're at the long page. It's better you go at a page that you feel like you can love. This page that I'm having, it's not your page, that's my page. I opened this page for me and for my people who really loves my content. So I think this is clear now, and I will never beg you. I'm telling you, like, okay, this is it. No, I don't beg. Since I started that house, tell me the person who has like, okay, this is the person who has been giving me some money. Like I told you last time, there is only one person that I will always appreciate, and this person, she's unknown. She always tell me, or she always gave me the courage to say, though I don't have money, I always earn this little money I can build. And this person gave me the money to buy some roofing sheets, and since the same woman gave me that money, I'm still moving on and I'm still building. And the things that I do document on my channel is that these are my documentation of life, whereby when I get back to my videos, I'll get to know to say, okay, this is where I'm coming from. So please, I own the right to boast, and this is my page. If you don't like my page, you don't like what I do, please, thank you. And I will continue traveling. If I have money, I save some money, I get my money in my pockets, I go to some places that I want to show you, just to show you the Zambia that you don't know. I'll keep on doing that each and every day. So I'm sorry guys, like to some of you who haven't seen me to act like this or to react like this. It's because of these people who are trying so hard to push me down, and more especially these guys. I try to find them up like they are Zambians and they are living within Zambia. Anyway, I'm sorry guys, I'm very sorry for this reaction, because it got into my nerve and I was so furious, you know. I was so furious. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. So we continue. This is my journey. I'm going to the market to buy some buns for my shop, buns and braids for my shop, you can see. And this is the road that I always use whenever I'm traveling to buy something or to order something. So guys, stay glued to the channel and keep loving me, keep on liking the videos that I always post on this channel. And thank you so much for the love and for the care that you always care for me. If I haven't posted anything, a lot of people comes in my DM. A lot of people, they really ask me, what is happening? Are you okay? That's love. That's love. Thank you. Now can I write somebody? Thank you guys for watching this video. This was a business video, and I'm not traveling like you've seen a lot of my travel videos. I'm not traveling today. I need to save up some money for me to go to Chambeshi to show you the Chambeshi you don't know. So I'm not traveling. Thank you for watching. I'm out.